in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your date and time settings on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and select that. And then on the left panel, select time and language. On the right side, select where it says date and time. And then over here on the right, you can change the time zone by clicking in the drop down, or you can go down underneath where it says set time automatically, toggle that to the off position, and then there'd be an option to set the date and time manually, which you can select by selecting change, and then change to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.